Hey class, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamba gani to all of you. Welcome to today's class and this is your NCERT series for your grade 9, right? And today we are doing number system, chapter number system and NCERT. This is exercise 1.6 question number 2. So now everything is being sorted for you. The only thing that you have to do is just search your exercise number and question number wherever you feel difficulty in that given question. Okay, so I will start this part. So the question is find, okay, there is this printing mistake, sorry. This is 9 raised to the power 3 by 2 only, okay, not 2, it is only 2. 9 raised to the power 3 by 2. Second one is 32 raised to the power 2 by 5, then 16 raised to the power 3 by 4 and 125 raised to the power minus 1 by 3. So in these kind of questions, I would always suggest you one thing, always remember, look at the denominator of the power. Here power is 2, here power is 5, here power is 4, here power is 3. Got it? So your aim is always to convert this base in the power of the denominator. For example, if I take the first one, 9 raised to the power, we have 3 by 2. Okay, so now I need to get rid of this denominator, right? The denominator is the main part. If it was only 9 cube, you can easily calculate 9 cube. But it is 9 raised to the power 3 by 2, so that makes a difference, right? So what we need to do is we need to write 9 in something's power 2. Whatever is the denominator here. And 9 you know can be written as 3 square, right? So this 9 I can write now as 3 squares raised to the power 3 by 2, and I know the identity a raised to the power m raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m into n. So it will become 3 raised to the power 2 into 3 by 2. That is why I was saying that focus on the denominator, because since now this 2 to 2 will get cancelled and you have got your answer as 3 cube, and 3 cube means 27. So the first one's answer is 27, right? Let's go for the next question. Next question is 32 raised to the power 2 by 5. Here the denominator is 5, so I need to write 32 in something's power 5. And 32, if you will do the prime factorization, you can easily get it by doing the prime factorization. Prime factorization of 32 is 2 raised to the power 5. So it will become 2 raised to the power 5 whole raised to the power 2 by 5. So it will become 2 raised to the power 5 into 2 by 5. 5 to 5 got cancelled. It is 2 square. 2 square is equal to 4. Got it? 5 into 2 by 5 is what? 2 only. So it is 2 square, means the answer here is 4. See how easy it is, right? So always focus on the power. Always focus on the power and see what is the denominator. Whatever is the denominator, in same form of power, convert the base. Got it? Then the third one, 16 raised to the power 3 by 4 you have. Right? Again, focus on the denominator. Denominator is 4. So I need to write 16 in something's power 4. How do we do it? Write the prime factorization of 16. So if you will do the prime factorization of 16, it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So that is 2 raised to the power 4. So it will become 2 raised to the power 4 whole raised to the power 3 by 4, which is equal to 2 raised to the power 4 into 3 by 4. 4 to 4 got cancelled, which is equal to 2 raised to the power 3, and 2 cube is equal to what? 8. So 8 is your correct answer. Okay, and then the last one, 125 raised to the power minus 1 by 3. Correct? Now again focus on the denominator. The denominator is 3. So I need to write 125 in something's power 3. Prime factorization of 125, if you will do, divide by 5, 25, divide by 5, 5, divide by 5, 1. So 125 is nothing but 5 cube. So it is 5 cube raised to the power minus 1 by 3, which will become 5 3 into 1 by minus 1 by 3. So 3 to 3 got cancelled, you got 5 raised to the power minus 1. Now when the power is negative, reciprocate the base, so it will become 1 by 5 raised to the power 1, which is 1 by 5 only, which is 1 by 5. So this is the whole logic behind it. Whenever the power is fractional, always focus on the denominator and try to convert the base in the form of denominator. That will help you to solve all your problems. Okay, so this was it. I hope all of you have understood this is very well. Now those students who want to join Vedantu's subscription course, it's an amazing course where you will be getting the whole syllabus will be covered for your specific grade. Along with that, any competitive examinations, everything will be covered in this single subscription. No need to go anywhere else for anything. Test, everything it involves. So go to this link. It is also available in the description box. Then you have an option to choose from 1 month, 3 months or 6 months. The more number of months you will choose, the price of that course will be less to you per month. The per month price is going to be less. Upon that, if you will apply the coupon code is GP Pro. Your coupon code is what? GP Pro. Apply this coupon code and you will get flat 15% discount. You can see from here to here. So see, for 1 month you are paying around 2300. If you will pick for 3 months, it is 5900 something. So it is way less than that. See, for 1 month if you are paying around 2294, if I round it off to 2300, so for 3 months it will be around what? It will be more than 6000, right? But you are paying less than that. And here it will be more for 6 months, that is going to be more than 12,000. Here it is only this much. So price per month decreases. Got it? So this is the link, this is the code. Welcome you all. I'll welcome you all in that course and we'll have a lots and lots of fun. Got it? So this is all. Thank you so much. If you have loved the video and loved the explanation, show some love, like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. This is all from my side. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Sayonara. Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.